Thank you very much. On behalf of EasyFin and FITC, I would like to humbly thank you for joining us this evening. I am your host, Dr. Dumebi Okwechime. I am the founder and CEO of EasyFin. So it is my job to make sure that you all have an enjoyable, memorable evening. So please, if there's anything else I can do to make that happen, do not hesitate to reach out and let me know. Okay? So we're here to talk about AML, the new CBN AML regulations. Why that is important is because we see it as having two major transformative implications. The first one, the obvious one, is the AML. Now, banks are already quite good. Funny enough, we were having a conversation about that earlier, already quite good at fraud. They know how to prevent people from hacking into your bank accounts, taking your money. They somewhat know how to prevent people from stealing identities to apply for loans and not paying back that money. But they somewhat fall short on the AML aspect. Strong fraud, but weak on AML is a meal half cooked. AML is the ability for bad actors to take illicit funds and attempt to wash it through the financial system so they look like they came from legitimate sources. And the problem that it causes, of course, if it's not handled and there's not proficient AML, it means that bad actors have the ability to use the financial system to grow that money and to potentially finance more illicit activities. Bad actors get to enjoy the money. And of course, crime pays, right? You don't want crime to pay. If crime doesn't pay, then it becomes less lucrative. And of course, the expectation is that particularly organized crime will reduce substantially. The second thing is digitization. So now for any bank to be able to adhere to the new regulation, you have to have a digital pipeline. You have to be able to monitor every transaction, every activity, every new customer that onboards. You need to onboard them digitally, do KYC digitally. The days where banks could ignore or under-prioritize digitization has gone. And so this will mean in the coming months and coming years, there will be a massive digitization process banks have to go through, which in the ecosystem is great for all of us because we, in theory, should also have a better financial experience within Nigeria. So what's interesting as well is, although this is focused on CBN, therefore financially regulated businesses, AML impacts a lot of us. In fact, all of us. So those of you who are running investment businesses, those of you who are running real estate businesses, those of you who are running startups and are looking to get angel investment, AML is still an important factor because what you cannot do is allow bad actors to use your business to wash funds because that would have a detrimental impact on your reputation and operations. Yeah, so it impacts all of us. So I encourage you, please, to ask as many questions as possible. It is important to us that you all leave here understanding the regulations perfectly. In fact, you will not be allowed to leave until you pass a quiz. We'll lock the doors. Yeah, it's very important to us that you are experts. But beyond that, this is also a lead generation opportunity for EasyFin, for FITC. We have the ability to support the entire pipeline of this new regulation. So if you are running or working in a financial service company, at the end of this session, you will get access to our free roadmap. So those of you that may not know, the roadmap for your AML development needs to be submitted by the 10th of June. So you haven't got much time. So we can give you the roadmap, but it is a template. It's incomplete. So you'll still need to complete some elements there. We can help you with that. So if you get the roadmap under pressure for time and lack of resources, you can reach out to us, anyone with EasyFin T-shirt or myself. we can then talk to you on how we can help you complete the roadmap. If you are a big bank, you already have AML provisions, but you still need help with some of the smaller aspects, we can help you with that. If you are a small bank or business and you have little to no AML considerations, we can help you full end-to-end of that process as well. So there's no business too big or too small that we cannot support and help you with. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.